Welcome to Abby's Science and Technology. This is going to be an amazing journey of science and technology. You'll completely realize what leading achievements Abby has made in the field of urine-formed elements microscopy examination. As we all know, routine urine test has important clinical significance on diagnosis of kidney and urinary tract diseases and monitoring and prognosis of medications. And urine-formed elements analysis is one of the three major parts of routine urinalysis. What on earth is human urine? Let's have a look. They are in various shapes and of uneven sizes. How can we precisely recognize and classify them? Morphological microscopy is the only golden standard. In 2003, ISLH, International Society of Laboratory Hematology, publicized recommended procedure for enumeration of particles in urine by low-power and high-power lens of the microscope. Bigger and smaller particles in urine are observed and recognized respectively. Urine sample volume, measured under manual microscopy, is 2 counting chambers, not less than 6.4 microliters. This is an ideal but difficult method to take in practice due to its heavy workload and high time consumption. Afterwards, centrifugation plus microscopy method is widely adopted. But as the cells may be damaged while being centrifuged and get lost by incomplete centrifugal sedimentation, and human factor may have an effect on the test results. This method is defined as an effective method for urine-formed elements test, but not appropriate for the quantitative analysis of urine-formed elements. So, how to resolve the conflict between the big demand for urine test and the time-consuming method of manual microscopy? In 2003, Abby took the lead in applying machine vision technology to urine-formed elements microscopy, launched with epoch-making significance. Abby 76 Series Urine-Formed Elements Analyzer turns classic urine manual microscopy into full automation. This builds up itself as the leading high-tech urinalysis analyzer at home and abroad. First, let's get to know its working procedure. This analyzer completely follows the procedure of manual urine microscopy. Urine sample is tested without being centrifuged. Fully homogenized by the probe, urine sample is filled into the high-precision counting chamber with volume of 32 microliters, which is much bigger than that measured by manual microscopy. The microscope adjusts focus to an optimal visual status automatically, and then the LP lens makes a full-field scan on the sample, and bigger particles like epithelial cells, casts, etc. are observed and image captured by CCD. The characteristic parameters of them are then extracted for recognition, classification, and counting. Simultaneously, smaller particles like cells, crystals, etc. are located by the system under low power and then tracked under high power, and after being magnified, their characteristic parameters are extracted for recognition, classification, and counting. The measuring procedure of this analyzer realizes walk-away automation, and the maximum throughput of it reaches 200 tests an hour. It reduces labor force, increases efficiency out of your imagination. Now, let's have a close look at the distinctive advanced technology of Abby 76 series analyzers. Those outstanding features of which make Abby the global leader of this advanced technology. High detection rate. Abby 76 series analyzers adopt seamless, full-file scanning technology compared to the traditional track scanning technology, which assures no undetected area. Furthermore, Abby 76 series analyzers employ military auto-locating and tracking technology to prevent particles from being undetected. In addition, priority selection technology intelligently chooses representative areas, and reporting with real images prevents particle types from being undetected. Multiple guarantees assure no cutoff sample undetected. High recognition rate. Firstly, images of bigger and smaller particles captured by CCD respectively under 10 times and 40 times lens are clear, complete, and real. This assures the high recognition rate. Secondly, bionic machine vision technology is adopted. large quantity of characteristic parameters of various urine-formed elements like size, shape, axial ratio, texture, grayscale, etc. Over 200 parameters are collected, trained, and modeled by our R&D people, and complex algorithm is applied to generate a brain, a similar one to human brain. In the process of measurement, for those known particles, the brain extracts their characteristic parameters, imports recognition module, and then makes the recognition, classification automatically. The more characteristic parameters are extracted, the more accurate the recognition is. And the analyzer will become more and more experienced and knowledgeable, just like a human being. Unbelievable! It's so smart! Currently, over 3,000 AVI-76 series analyzers are running worldwide, measuring 200,000 urine samples every day, which definitely builds up its perfect recognition rate. And the recognition rate will be constantly improved by regular software upgrading as well. AVI-76 series has RBC morphological analysis available. Not only percentages of normal RBC and abnormal RBC are available in AVI-76 series analyzers, but also column diagrams and scatter diagrams are generated based on statistics and analysis of size, form, chroma, and uniformity of RBC. They both give clues to clinical diagnosis of hematuria source. Effective quality control available. SFDA-approved quality controls at high, medium, low, and sensitivity level are available with the analyzer. By using them, quality control curve is generated automatically by the system, which meets rightly the demands of daily quality control from laboratories. Reference range of uncentrifuged urine formed elements by microscopic quantitation. The reference value range, which is classified by gender and age, is concluded from the investigation made by a nationwide panel by testing urine samples collected in 6 big cities in China on AVI-76 series analyzers, and it is authoritative and universally supported for clinical diagnosis. Traceability available. Images captured and analyzed by AVI-76 series analyzers are real images from urine samples. You just need to review the suspicious targets presented on screen and then make a confirmative report. For analyzers based on non-morphological analysis principle, samples showing positive by them shall be microscopically reviewed because they present no images and the results are not traceable after measurement. Through the comparison above, don't you think it is obvious that AVI-76 series analyzers are not only intelligent, but convenient? AVI-76 series analyzers not only resolve the conflict between big demand for urine test and inefficient manual microscopy, leading routine urinalysis to an efficient and clean stage, but also provide more valuable information for clinical diagnosis. To satisfy the demands of all levels of medical institutions, AVI has developed 5 major series products, which are widely accepted in the market at home and abroad, with over 3,000 installations all around China and rapidly growing export to international markets such as Germany, Spain, Turkey, etc. AVI-76 series analyzers fill in the technical blank of automatic morphological microscopy field with leading technology and occupy predominant global market share. Together with AVI-76 series analyzers, AVI-752 fully automatic urine analyzers are available as well. By using combination of both urine chemistry analysis and urine-formed elements quantitative analysis can be made at one stop. AVI-752 urine analyzers adopt independent cassette strip, adding method to avoid strip contamination. Innovative strip loading technology assures single test strip is pushed right to the designated position with test pads upwards. Advanced sample sprinkling technology realizes sufficient and equal sample contact and effectively avoid undetection and cross-contamination caused by other sampling method. Reflectance photometry technology is adopted. Onboard high-quality strips with VC protection feature a clear color differentiation and more accurate results. Independent glucose testing pad with more precise result has remarkable clinical significance on the diagnosis of diabetes. Combination of AVI 752 and AVI 76 series analyzers, presenting a comprehensive report with images, provides complete and accurate information for clinical diagnosis and treatment. Well, thanks for your attentive listening to my introduction to AVI's amazing technology. And let's share more leading technology from AVI in the coming future. Technology serves health. AVI, Science and Technology.